Hello friend, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to look at the best method to partition any hard drive on Windows. But before we start, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you. In this tutorial, we will be taking a look at the two best methods to partition any hard drive. First of all, let me open File Explorer and show you the hard drive I will like to partition. I will like to partition the local disk D, so let's begin. For the first method, we will be using a built-in Windows 10 tool. To get started, right-click on the Start menu and click on Disk Management. On the Disk Management page, click on the disk you will like to partition. If you don't see your disk listed here, then use the scroll bar to scroll down. Now, right-click on the disk you will like to partition, and click on Shrink Volume. In the field provided, enter the size you want to give to your new partition in megabytes. To perfectly partition any hard drive, open the Calculator app. To do that, click on the Windows search icon and type Calculator. Before you partition any hard drive using the Disk Management tool, you need to convert the size of the volume you want from gigabytes to megabytes. To do this, multiply 1024 by the size you want your new partition to be. In this video, I want my new partition to be 50 gigabytes, so I will multiply 1024 by 50. After multiplying 1024 by the size you want to give to your new partition, click the equal to sign, and type the result in the field provided. My result is 51200, so I will type 51200 in the field provided, without the comma. After you are done entering the value, click on Shrink, and wait for your drive to be partitioned. After the process is complete, the new partition will appear as unallocated. Right-click on the unallocated drive, and click on New Simple Volume. In the New Simple Volume wizard, click on Next. Click on Next again. Choose your preferred drive letter, or you can leave it at default. After choosing your drive letter, click on Next. In the Volume Label field, type the name you want to give to your new partition, or you can leave it at the default name. Click on Next to format the volume with the default settings. Review the changes and click on Finish. Now, wait for your new partition to be formatted. After the formatting is complete, close the Disk Management tool. Now, if you open File Explorer and click on this PC, you should be able to see the new partitioned hard drive. For the second method, we will be using an advanced tool to partition our hard drives very easily. To get started, open your web browser and go to minitool.com. Link will also be in the description. On the web page, click on Download. On the download page, scroll down. Under the MiniTool Partition Wizard section, click on Free Download, and wait for the download to complete. After the download is complete, click on the setup to start the installation. Click on Run. If you get this prompt, click on Yes. Select your preferred language, and click on OK. Uncheck the MiniTool Shadow Maker. We only need to install MiniTool Partition Wizard. Now, click on Next. Click on Next again, and wait for MiniTool to be downloaded and installed on your computer. After the installation is complete, click on Finish. Now, double-click on the MiniTool Partition Wizard icon to start the application. Click on Yes, and wait for the application to start. First of all, let me close this pop-up and maximize the application. On the main interface of MiniTool Partition Wizard, you will see your drives displayed here. Over here, right-click on the drive you will like to partition, and click on Split. Over here, select whether you will like to specify the size of the new partition in megabytes or gigabytes. In the New Partition field, enter the size you want to allocate to your new partition, and click on OK. I will like to allocate 20 gigabytes to my new partition, so I will type 20. After you are done, you will see the new partition show up here. You can click on Apply to apply your changes. But in case you want to change the drive letter, right-click on the newly created partition, and click on Change Drive Letter. Click on the drop-down, and select your preferred drive letter. After selecting the drive letter, click on OK. Now, click on Apply. Make sure to close all other applications you have opened, and click on Yes. After clicking on Yes, MiniTool will start partitioning your hard drive. Just wait patiently for the process to complete. MiniTool Partition Wizard also has more advanced tools, so feel free to explore. After the process has completed successfully, click on OK. Close MiniTool Partition Wizard, and open File Explorer. Click on this PC, and you should be able to see your newly partitioned hard drive. I personally use MiniTool to partition my hard drive. Let me know in the comment section what is your favorite tool. That is it. In just a few steps, you should be able to partition any hard drive without any problems. Thanks for watching. Please, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon, so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you.